So far, areas have been pretty good, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Time for something a little bit more challenging. And here it is. First of all, what on earth is a rhombus? Rhombus. Well, you may need to look it up. However, a rhombus is a parallelogram, as we just saw, but all the sides are 12. 12, 12, 12, 12. Now, up to you to guess whether the 72 goes here or there. I hope that most people think 72 has got to be less than 90 degrees, so this is 72. The ultimate step here is that we split it this way. My area formula needs two sides and an angle between. Label time. I'm just going to do 1/2 because it's identical, because a rhombus is a bit like a square that somebody stepped on. All right, so here's where the A is. I'm going to put the A on the angle. There's the other two. Opposite this B is 12. Opposite this C is 12. So let's put those numbers in. 12 times by 12 times by sin of 72. It's about now. I hope the camera is actually running. Yes, I think so. So, fraction tool. 1/2 times 12 times 12 times sin 72 is 68.5. Should we call that? Let's call it 68.5. 68.47606, because that's one area, so the total is double. Okay, so I just did this part, and this part is the same again. So let's times that by 2. Times by 2 is 136.95. So it's around about 137. Okay, that's what we're looking for. A white but sesame. Now, way more interesting is question 6. Because I'm looking at the picture, and as I draw the picture, I can see that like it doesn't have enough numbers. Well, at last the book was nice and put the A where the angle is. So let's finish off this labelling system. Capital A, little a. Even though I'm not going to use little a in this question. Capital B, little b. Capital C, little c. Formula. Area equals 1/2 B times by C times by sin A. Right. Now this question has something going for it, because I don't have enough pieces to put here, here, and here. That's because in this question, I have a piece that goes there. This is a backwards question. You're going to have to work backwards. You don't get the answer in the first go. It's a rearrange step. So what are we missing here? We're missing side AC. So this is how the book might write what you might have written like this. This is the line from A to C. Or, in our lingo, side little b. Side little b is unknown. We don't know what it is, but I think we can find out. Side C is 8 and sin of 99. So perhaps one day we get given this one and this one and this one, we have to find the angle. But today is not that day. Right, 2 steps. What's the easiest? Well, let's get rid of the 2. So the opposite of dividing by 2, or 1/2, is timesing by 2. A lot of people, and there's those numbers, and this is the one we want by itself. I've got it on the end here. Okay, so 40 times by, so to get rid of 1/2, I times both sides by 2. Times by 2, times by 2. Cancels the 1/2 out. So 40. So B. So Now divide. What do I divide by? I divide by all this. So once you do a couple of these, you'll see these steps. This is all about putting this properly on the calculator. So on the calculator, I want to type 40 divided by big bracket 8 times sin 99. That's what I want to have. I don't just want to do 40 divided by 8 and then divide by sin 99. That may or may not work. Let's put it all in the bracket so the calculator, not as smart as a normal person, would understand what it is we're looking for. Try a different angle. 40 divided by big bracket 8 times sin bracket 99. Now, new calculator's got these lovely colour matching, so we know we've got all the right. Why did it disappear? 40 divided by bracket 8 times sin bracket 99. Okay, enter. 5. So 5.06, so I'm going to approximately 5. And so the angle, the length that makes this all correct, that angle 99 and the total area 20 is 5. Okay, something a bit more challenging, but there you go. Rearrange step. That looks like a good test question. Seeing who watches the end of these videos. No one watches the end. All right, go.